What's up, guys? I'm Alvin Pacheco, your host, and we are here today at the Grand Hyatt Taipei. So we are the HyperX Suite. I'm with Sir Jack from HyperX,
Hi.
and he's gonna introduce us to the new products of HyperX
Sure.
right now. So we're gonna start with a headphones. This is
Okay.
a Cloud Alpha S, right?
Yes, it's a Cloud Alpha S.
So can you tell us more about this one?
Okay, so for those of you guys who don't know about Cloud Alpha before, we have our dual chamber drivers. So basically, we just created two chambers. One is for the bass, and the other one is for the mids and high. So you can have the less distortion, but with better distinction for the voices. And also, we have 7.1 virtual surround sound for the Alpha S, so you can deliver the better voices for the FPS gamer, or if like a PUBG gamer, you'll deliver a better voice for the gameplays. And also you can just setting with your game and chat audio with our control buses as well. So it's kind of the cool things for the Cloud Alpha S. Yeah.
Okay. So you have a new design for the Alpha S right
Yes.
now. Like and the other iterations out here that they can see,
Yes.
especially the headbands. It's like a
Leather.
patterned leather design, right?
Yeah.
So what's the price of this product? Is there a price already for this?
Well, we don't have it actually priced yet, but we will update you guys for more information later. Yeah.
Okay. So when will this be product release?
Still,
Still,
we don't-
not
yeah,
yet?
Not
Okay.
yet. Yeah.
Okay. So let's move on to the keyboard.
sure.
So what they have here is their lineup of keyboards, but this is the new one, the Alloy
Yes.
Origins.
Yeah, it's the Alloy Origins, and this one is we utilize our first HyperX Mechanical Switches for you guys. So,
So they have their own mechanical switch now,
Yeah.
which is called
which is HyperX Mechanical
yeah,
Switches.
HyperX Mechanical,
Yeah, we didn't
mechanical
name
Switch.
it,
There's
no,
no name for it yet, but
Yeah,
for
very
now,
straightforward.
HyperX Mechanical Switch.
Yeah,
okay.
for now.
So it's only available in red, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
right now it's red.
So can you tell us more about this product?
Okay, so we deliver the three ideas for the keyboards, which is brighter, faster, and shorter. Brighter is that we have a DPI style lighting, so we just put a lighting not behind of the key switches, but
It's
outside the key switches.
Beside.
Yeah. So the other one is that faster. So we for the activation point we have 1.8 millimeters, and we also have a short travel time, short travel distance for the 3.8 millimeters. So if you are FPS gamer, so it would be really really helpful for your gameplay.
Yeah, it's also Type C, right?
Yeah,
And it's actually quite heavy because it's made from what material?
aluminum.
Aluminum, yeah?
Aluminum.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's check.
Okay.
Slow flex to it. There, I cannot flex it. And
Yeah, because
it's very heavy and it feels nice.
yeah, it feels nice because
Yeah.
we want to create, we want to create a very trusted keyboard brand for
Yeah.
the FPS gamers. So you won't be flat or during the gameplay.
And it's also Type C, so much faster connection than a Type A.
Okay,
So let's move on.
oh sure.
Okay. So right now we're entering the magical room where you can see these bling bling
Bling bling.
HyperX headphones.
Yeah, we basically cooperate.
So this is the new thing today, guys. There's no more RGB.
no more RGB.
No more RGB. Look at this one. This is the RGB of the future. I don't know if you can see that, but there's also the WASD keys.
We kind of make a cool things for the gamers.
Oh, the mouse! Oh no! What happened to this mouse? The grip. Oh. Okay, let's move on. So this is the most excited product that I want for you guys to see.
Definitely.
Look at this guy. He doesn't have a stroke or something, but once you flip your head, your weapon's gonna switch in CS:GO.
Yes.
And he also said to me earlier, if you're playing PUBG, Q and E keys are the one for leaning left and right, right?
Yes.
Right. Okay, so once you lean towards the right, your headphones, your character will lean to the right. So,
That's kinda cool.
Okay, I'm gonna speak in Tagalog for a little. So, alam niyo yung feeling na umiilag kayo sa mga laro. So, posible na siya dito sa headphones na to. Kasi kung iilag ka sa PUBG ng ganito, magagawa mo siya in real life. So, again, back to English.
Yeah.
So, he's doing the demo now for Counter-Strike. So, as you can see, He's loading the cache map. So that's the headphones right now. He's wearing it. It's also a new product from HyperX, but it was released last January for CES, right?
Yeah, it's just this year January at CES.
So can you tell us more about this product?
Okay, so basically we just cooperate with a ODCs to use their drivers for the better actuation for the voices. Yes, and also we have a 3D technology with Waves NX 3D technology and the head track technology for this headset. So it will deliver like a cinematic environment sound for the gamers to have the raw vivid sound.
So it's not only for the switching weapons part.
Yes.
It's actually a nice 7.1. It's like a 7.1 surround headphones because I've tested this earlier. Once you heard the gunfire from the right, the right driver is the only one who's producing that sound.
Yes.
It's not perfect right now, but it's very decent for for tracking your environment in game. So yeah, so is there a price for this already, or
Well, we
this
don't have the
already?
price already, yes, but
We're planning to release this when?
perhaps in the second half.
Okay.
Yeah, in the second half we will have the headset to came out. So, guys, you can
Okay. So let's check
be
it.
prepared.
Can we check this out?
Yeah.
Close up. So there. That's the. What's the name of this headphones?
Cloud OBS.
OBS?
OBS.
Okay. So there's the headphones, guys. As you can see, it looks simple, but you don't know that this can track your
How
enemies
powerful it
in
is.
game. Yeah. And also you can switch weapons with it. Okay, let me try it.
Yeah, sure.
Look at this one. Oh, yeah, there you go. It's like you're having stiff neck with this, but you can not force it, just a little bit, but you'll get used to it soon if you use it often. So yeah. So too bad we cannot try PUBG. Okay, can you hear me, guys? Oh, again, too bad we cannot try PUBG because they have no internet connection right now here. So we're just playing with bots. But in PUBG, as Heath said, you can lean left to right. And in CSGO, it's switching weapons. Look, I'm not touching anything. I'm switching weapons. I don't know how to switch to my knife, but it's only primary and secondary. So it has a software also, right?
Yes.
Okay. So there, you can customize it in games. Actually, now it supports PUBG and CSGO, but you can use this in other games, right?
Well, we will try to utilize to other games. Yeah.
Okay. So I think that's it for the new releases and product tour for HyperX. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I surely do. I enjoyed that one.
Thank you.
Thank you guys for watching and see
Thank
you
you.
on the next one.